Maximizing crypto gains, that's what we're talking about today on the channel. But guess what? I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. So let's talk about killer altcoin portfolios. Let's get straight into the video. Let's have some fun. Jump over to businessofapps.com and we're going to talk a little bit about investing in a niche. So blockchain is an extensive niche, okay? It includes decentralized technologies, tokens, the cryptocurrencies themselves, etc. Educational offers are designed to teach users how to actually interact with cryptocurrencies and help them find a job in this industry. Converting users into leads for training offers is not easy, okay? People actually want to get instant results and start making money, not learn complicated concepts and go round and round in circles with different programs. They want to start making money. That's the be and end all of all people that are really invested in cryptocurrencies. Now, investments, one of the most popular types of offers in the vertical. Okay, the user buys the cryptocurrency on a cold wallet or invests in funds on cryptocurrencies. Now, subsequent income depends on how the person manages that money. If the user does not want to follow the quotes, they can transfer their funds to a trader for trust management, such as things like that, AI bots, Forex traders, you know, things like that you see are all the kind of same we have inside of crypto. Send your money, someone manage it for you. All right. Talking about trading, in this case, webmasters actually promote exchange on other platforms that are used to trade cryptocurrencies. Promoting such offers is not easy since people that actually do not understand the crypto markets will just lose money. And that's the last thing we want to do, guys. We don't want to be losing money. So do your own research. Please, always dive into your investment. Talking about a layer 1 blockchain over on Contracts.com, also known as a smart contract platform, a layer 1 blockchain is the base level for a crypto ecosystem. For example, Ethereum is a layer 1 blockchain that has 2 projects built on top of it, including NFT, DeFi, and Web3 projects. In general, layer 1s act as a settlement layer and provide the security for the network. Now, what are the top 9 smart contract platforms? Okay, we have Ethereum, number 1. Number 2, we have Binance Coin, okay, BNB. Now, number 3, we have Solana. Number 4, we have Avalanche. Number 5, we have Cardano. Number 6, we have Polkadot. 7, Algorand, which is arguably my favorite. 8, we have Near, which we have actually done some videos on Near recently because it is picking up momentum. And at 9, of course, we have the Cosmos. Now, have you heard about DeSci? If you haven't, get over to ethereum.org and click that link down below. Okay, decentralized science is DeSci. Now, decentralized science is a movement that aims to build public infrastructure for funding. Okay, creating, reviewing, crediting, storing, disseminating scientific knowledge fairly and equitably using the Web3 stack. It actually aims to create an ecosystem where scientists are incentivized to openly share their research and receive credit for their work, while allowing anyone to access and contribute to the research easily. DeSci works off the idea that scientific knowledge should be accessible to everyone and that process of scientific research should be transparent. Okay, so DeSci is creating a more decentralized and disrupted scientific research model. Now, making it more resistant to censorship and control by central authorities, it actually hopes to create an environment where new and unconventional ideas can flourish by decentralizing access to funding, scientific tools, and communication channels. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's actually really fun to make. Please note that DeSci is something you need to dive into, okay? Learning about the layer 1 cryptos is something, everything we talked about here, if you want to be in the crypto space for real, if you really want to be in the crypto space, please take note of our videos. Get a notepad out when we're doing them and write down what I'm saying. Go to the articles I'm telling you to, okay? Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you next time.